Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the pleated blind type because repair steps differ. Cordless models release differently than corded ones. Once done, remove the valance and loosen mounting brackets so the headrail is free. This gives you direct access to the pleat mechanism. Make sure to clear a flat workspace and lay a soft cloth under the blind to protect fabric. You'll remove any end caps next with a screwdriver or gentle prying, so internal components are exposed and ready for inspection. Now inspect cords, pulleys, and springs closely to find the failure point. One frayed cord or jammed pulley often causes the whole unit to bind. If a cord is broken, tie a secure fishing knot, thread it through the pleat channels and pulleys, and seat it in the cleat. This restores smooth travel. If a spring has lost tension, retension it with pliers or swap in a replacement. Doing this balances lift force and prevents sagging. Make small adjustments and cycle the blind to confirm movement. Finish by carefully replacing end caps, settling the headrail into the mounting brackets, and tightening screws. Then cycle the blind through full extension and retraction to verify smooth operation. Trim any excess cord but leave enough for a secure knot and cord stop. This prevents slippage. If binding or uneven pleats persist, check track alignment and realign pleat folds by hand. Misaligned pleats pinch the mechanism. If that fails, replace the worn pulley or call a specialist. One key troubleshooting tip: test with gentle pressure to avoid fabric damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.